Hello fundamental student of class 8th. In previous video we were discussing mineral and power resources and we also seen the two important maps. So continue with our discussion that the main source of power are coal, petroleum and natural gas, and these are the main source of power in Europe. Coal is the major source of power in Russia, UK, Belgium, France, Germany, Poland and Ukraine. These countries basically rely on coal for their energy activities. Oil and natural gas deposits, these are mainly found in the Russia and Romania. Oil and natural gas. The reserves of petroleum in North Sea provide enough supply for the country of Western Europe. That is, Western Europe rely on the reserve of petroleum in the North Sea. Europe, Norway and UK are now exploiting these resources, that is oil and natural gas of the North Sea. So some areas in Europe have a shortage of coal and mineral oil but have enough water for the generation of hydroelectricity. So which countries using the hydroelectricity? That is Norway, Sweden, Russia, France, Italy, Switzerland, UK, Austria, Spain and Germany. So this is all about mineral and power resources. Next move on to the industry. So many countries in Europe have utilized their resources to develop a variety of industries. This is why, because of adequate resources of coal, good quality iron ore, efficient system of transportation, development of science and technology, hard-working people. These important 5 characteristics, this is why Europe has become more industrialized. Availability of reserves like coal and iron ore, transportation system, advancement of science and technology, and hard-working, efficient people. Because of these, they have exploited these conditions. So the main industry belt stretches from UK through France. That is UK, France, lowland country, Russia, Germany and Poland, and to the southern Russia. These are industrialized area. This is seen in this map, Europe industry. This area industries are concentrated. Here you can see here iron and steel, oil refining, shipbuilding, automobile. These sectors you will find this industry located here in this map. Now, metal processing is the basic industry of Europe. That is iron and steel industry has developed near where it is near coalfield in UK, northern France, Belgium, Germany, Poland, Russia and Ukraine. Here you can see here, and it provides raw material to some important heavy industries such as machine, tool, transport, equipment, plant, machinery, heavy electricals and agriculture and machinery. These industries, they provide the raw material to these industries. So I think you have understood this. Now move on to the textile industry. Is the next to the importance of heavy industry. That is, after heavy industry there is a textile industry which is very important for Europe. So UK is the largest producer of cotton textile. The woolen textile are made from the imported wool from Australia and New Zealand, and silk textiles also manufactured in many Mediterranean countries. And next is your agro-based industries, include food processing, dairy product, meat and leather, good wine and sugar. These are also important industry. Next is your chemical industry. It's developed in Russia, UK, France, Germany and Italy. And other industries include light petrochemical, electronic goods, computer, camera, garments, plastic industry, fertilizer, cement and trucks. And now these days tourism has developed as an important industry in many parts of the Europe. France, Spain and in this, and especially Spain and Italy are called the tourist miracles. So this was all about your industries, types of industry and where these are located. So in this next video we will discuss other important topic of this chapter. Thank you students.